Alright, good morning y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. As you can probably tell by the title, today's the day. You guys saw what I loaded up. About to get this exhaust installed. In a rush. Time to head out. Let's go get this done. Damn, I just realized this might be the last drive on the stock header. So, about to enjoy it while it lasts. We're chasing that FBO, race car life. Yeah, let's get this header on. Made it here. Let's get some work done. Time to get this work done. Car had to cool down a bit, so it's been chilling here. But yeah, they're about to start. Tear down. So the work is in progress. Shout out to the shop owner. He's pretty cool for letting me be here. But yeah, the work is in progress. Cat is already off. Still trying to take off the OEM header, but yeah, figuring this out. Just gotta wait on it. Huge. Studs.
Ryan Little.
Job complete.
Yeah. Okay.
First start up.
Okay, so that means we'll stay on.
Damn, it's a little bit louder. Cold start. First cold start with the Skunk2 header. Sounds so good already. So far the air fuel ratios are the same. I was worried about this car, like what's gonna happen after installing the header. So far so good. Just warming up. Cold start sounds aggressive already. It's cool. Taking it for a test drive, seeing if it runs okay. Man, the car looks good. That brake light. I see the FA5 is coming back. Jeez. Look at that. Pull up. Pull up. Good car?
I like it.
Thank you. Let me see what it sounds like for myself. I already smell the gas. That's mean. Launch control. Damn, not too bad. Okay, so the header is now complete. It's a different experience so far. I can smell all the gas right now, but I'm kind of hungry, kind of tired. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then we'll continue with this later. Definitely a different experience. With the catless, you get that hissing sound, and obviously the header still needs to break in. Whoa, so much more torque. Yo, so we made it back home, safe and sound. FA5 with now equipped with the Skunk2 header. Finally, the mod you guys all wanted me to do. But so driving home with the Skunk2 header, catless header, I did notice the difference. The car is super torquey. It has more torque than before. I wouldn't say that it's louder. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's louder. It is louder, but it's just like more deeper and like more bassy. That's what it is. But yeah, Skunk2 header, excited about it. The car feels much faster, it pulls harder. With the tune, I didn't notice anything wrong with it yet, but obviously I'll never know. I have to data log and see how the car's running. But so far so good. Full bolt-ons, FA5. And yeah, just gotta get used to the new setup. Alright y'all, it's a new day as you can tell. You know, different clothes. What? Different clothes, as you can see. But yes, FA5 is now complete. Full bolt-ons. Yeah, I don't know, it has everything on this car that I wanted to do is officially done. Obviously there's more mods that I can obviously do to the 8th gen, but for now I'm actually very satisfied. Alpha header is in. Man, it's been a journey with this car, almost 3 years in the making, if you guys been following. But yeah, happy with it. I'm pretty satisfied with the build. Today we're just gonna put a few final touches on the car, and also I'm gonna hit you guys with a cold start of the header, the first cold start, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's get into it. So before we start, I just want to show you guys the shirt I'm rocking. As you can see right here, new shirt from myself and the crew, Building Visions. You got that little tagline at the bottom, create the future ahead. Yeah, that's what we were able to do with this car. I was able to build my vision, put on all the parts that I wanted, you know, stuff like that. So I encourage all of you guys to do the same. Anything you want to do in life, just create that future that you want, just build towards it. That's what we were able to do. That's what I'm still doing right now. This shirt will be available, link in the description for anyone who wants to support. Forest green and the cream, cool combo. Had to try something new, but yeah, it'll be available. Link will be in the description. Alright, so y'all notice something different? I'm working on a new sticker line, or like a spine, for the back of this car. I already had a few stickers, but I just never put it on, so we're gonna do that right now. So we got this first one. This is from myself. It's just racing in Japanese kanji. So I'm just gonna put that at the bottom. So we got that first one done. I might change it, I don't know, we'll see. But next we got the VTech Club. I'm gonna put this on top. So we got the VTech Club on. I really like this one. It's a cool design. Just peel it off. There you go, VTech Club. So next one we got is a brand called Final Boss. I found this on Instagram. This one's kind of cool, is because it's reflective. So we're gonna put that on. Hopefully I can get a high beams one and reflective in the future. That'll be dope. So there you have it, that's it. This one actually says Final Enemy, Last Boss. But if you just read it, it says Final Boss, which is the brand. If it's dark enough, like I said, it's reflective if it's dark enough. But that's it for now. Might change it up, but I'm working on a spine that's gonna look dope on this car. But yeah, it's cool. It's not too bad. Now the moment you guys been waiting for. Let's get a cold start with the Skunk2 header. I'm waiting to see how it is, and let's see the difference. Not that bad, I think, but it does smell like gas, all the fumes. Damn, catless life. But yeah, that's what it is. Skunk2 header, cold start. The Q300 keeps things really quiet, actually. Might need to go louder, who knows. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Click the link in the description for these new t-shirts. Thank you guys for the support. 3 years in the making. Build your vision. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.